Hi everyone, welcome to this class. These videos will walk you through chapters in this textbook. Each chapter will have an intro video, a remark video, and the main content video. You can also refer to the lecture notes for more details. So in this chapter, we'll learn about the best practice, standards, and plans of action for cybersecurity. Cybersecurity management and governance is a complicated and iterative process as the inside and outside cyberspace environment are getting more and more complex. Technology is evolving, there are more demands on information systems, and there are more malicious users. So after taking this lecture, you will know the usage and benefits of standards and best practice in cybersecurity. You'll be given an overview of the standards of good practice for information security. And in a later part of this lecture, we'll discuss the role of National Institute of Standards and Technology's cybersecurity framework. Furthermore, we'll look at how these differ from the ISO 27000 series. And finally, we'll learn about the value of Center for Internet Security's critical security controls. So to understand the importance of cybersecurity, let's watch a video about cybercrime risk from KPMG.
Baby, the world is ours. My heart is racing 100 miles an hour. Let's just embrace it. Baby, the world is ours. My heart is racing 100 miles an hour. Let's just embrace it to the music louder. Let's get it high, get it right in the lights. Only got to sunrise. Start living for tonight. World is ours. My heart is racing 100 miles an hour. Let's just embrace it to the music louder. Let's get it high, get it right in the lights. Only got to sunrise. Start living for tonight. Start living for tonight.
But where does the power behind this drone lie?
Tens of thousands of computers that have suffered from a ransomware.
Another global ransomware attack. Security company reported that it discovered one of the biggest bank robberies ever. The guns involved, hackers generating break-ins in 30 countries and making off with a total of as much as $1 billion.
Bring the rain.